Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you today? I hope you all will be fine. I am Ikra Anwar. I am a science teacher in KPS school. Class 4 Subject Science Unit number 6 Solids, Liquids and Gases. Topic Solids, Liquids and Gases. Students, today we will discuss the matter. What is matter? Everything in this world that has mass and occupies space is called matter. For example, air is a matter or not? Of course, air is a matter because it has mass and occupies space. In this diagram, you are looking a hot air balloon. In this balloon, air is filled. Air has mass and occupies the space of balloon. So we can say air is a matter because it has mass and occupies space. Students, matter is always made up of particles. Air is a matter. It is also made up of tiny particles. We cannot see them, but we can feel them. Tiny particles, we cannot see them. Movement of particles different in different things. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gases. The movement of particles different in these states of matter. Some matter has particles that are closely packed together, tightly bound with each other. They cannot move away. They only vibrate because they have strong force of attraction. And in some things, particles can only vibrate. They can't move freely. They have force of attraction which bond the particles with each other. And in something, particles move freely. They occupy all given space. Because particles move freely, there are weak force of attraction. There are three states of matter: solid, liquid and gas. Arrangement of the particles you can see in these states of matter. Solid has closely packed together particle. Liquid has free particles that can vibrate. The particles of gas can move freely. They occupy all the given space. Students, when we go from cool to hot state, solid change into gas because when we give the heat, solid particles gain energy and move fastly, then change into liquid because now these particles can vibrate due to heat from which they gain kinetic energy. When we further heat liquid molecules energy and change into gas due to large amount of energy. and matter is made up of same kind of particles. For example, water in any form is made up of only water particles. Students, water exists in three states: solid state ice, liquid state, and in form of vapors is a gaseous state of water. Water exists in three states: solid, liquid, and gas. But in all these states, water molecules are same. In all states of matter, water is only made up of water particles. Water can change its state when it becomes colder. When we cool the water, then it changes from liquid to solid. When we give heat, solid change into liquid, and on further heating it will change into vapors. स्टूडेंट्स, हम डेली लाइफ में देखते हैं आइस मेल्ट होके वाटर बनाती है, लिक्विड स्टेट होती है, और लिक्विड स्टेट ऑफ वाटर चेंज इनटू वेपर स्टेट ऑन हीटिंग. जब हम वाटर को बॉयल करते हैं, हम देखते हैं कि वाटर चेंज हो रहा था वेपर्स की शक्ल में, भाप की शक्ल में. वो गैशियस स्टेट होती है वाटर की. लेकिन इन तमाम स्टेट्स में आइदर सॉलिड स्टेट, गैशियस स्टेट और लिक्विड स्टेट, वाटर is only made up of water particles. Material is made up of same kind of particles. स्टूडेंट्स, आपके लिए एक असाइनमेंट है. डिस्कस एंड आंसर. कैन यू थिंक ऑफ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ सॉलिड, अ लिक्विड एंड अ गैस फाउंड इन अ मोटरसाइकिल. मोटरसाइकिल के सॉलिड, लिक्विड और गैस के यूज़ बताने हैं मोटरसाइकिल में. थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.